Experience the ultimate mind-body connection session for instant pain relief and relaxation. January 28th, Transformational Yoga for flexibility, balance, and deep sleep. Don't let pain or discomfort prevent you from living your best life. Start 2023 feeling better, sleeping better, and living better. Sign up today. Ultimate Workout, January 28th, Transformational Yoga for flexibility, balance, and deep sleep. And allow yourself the opportunity to release pain and tension, increase flexibility, and feel better. One slow, steady breath and one flexible movement at a time. I look forward to sharing this life-shifting transformational yoga practice with you. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Namaste.